Newton's first law by KayScience.com. Newton's first law states that the velocity, speed, direction of an object will only change if a resultant force is acting on it. So in this example, if the resultant force on a stationary object is 0, it will remain stationary. So someone is dribbling the ball, and as you can see here, the push force is 50 newtons forwards. However, there is a drag force of 50 newtons in the opposite direction due to air resistance and friction. That means there is no resultant force on the ball. That means the ball is moving at a steady velocity. So if the resultant force on a moving object is 0, it will continue moving at the same velocity in a straight line without changing direction. In this example, someone shoots the ball and applies a 100 Newton force to the ball. And there is a 50 Newton drag force acting in the opposite direction and applies a 100 Newton force to the ball. In this example, there is a resultant force acting on the ball. If the resultant force of an object is not 0, the velocity will change, which will be acceleration or deceleration. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.